How to buy Ethereum-based coins on Trust Wallet. So if you want to buy the Ethereum-based coins on Trust Wallet, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Trust Wallet application, and you need to enter your password and make sure to log in or sign into your Trust Wallet. Once you're here on the Trust Wallet, now you just need to simply go with the buy option. Here on the upper side, you will have all of these options. Tap on buy. Once you tap on buy, now here you need to go with Ethereum. So go with the search, and under search you need to search for Ethereum. And once you search here, you will have the Ethereums, right? So you can simply choose any one of these that you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing the first one. Once you've chosen, now you will get this kind of interface where you need to simply enter the amount. So you just need to simply enter the amount that you would like. So for example, I'll be choosing 100, and you can simply pay with credit card if you've not added. So you just need to simply add your payment method, and once you've added your payment method, you just need to simply go with buy with credit card, and it will take you to the payment method. And once you enter your payment method, then follow the steps, and once you follow the steps, you'll be able to buy the Ethereum based coins on Trust Wallet. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.